Hello world, this is Ryan Marcus and I'm back with another unboxing. I got another package sent to me from Youth Pride. So we're gonna open it and figure out what it is. Let's see. I'm gonna tell y'all something. My last unboxing I had kind of already opened it and kind of knew what it was, but I still went with it. So this time, you see it's still in the package, still unveiled. So we're gonna see what it is all together. They said it was gonna be nice, whatever it was, so we're gonna see. Ooh. Oh my god. Look at this. Looks like some type of tablet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Let's open it up some more and see. Yes, it's a tablet. Oh, this is nice. Oh my gosh. Ooh, a tablet. It's a tablet by Zonko. Can you read it? Z-O-N-K-O. This is Zonko. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's nice. Nice color. Silver casing. Oh my gosh. Definitely have to play with this and see what's going on. Comes with a charger. Got another base. Hey, another charger. Hey, like I said, can't have enough of these. Let's turn it on and see what happens. All right, so I charged this thing up and got it working. Took a long time to charge, a couple of hours, but once I finally got it charged, I've been playing on it for about 2-3 hours, and it's just at 89% now, so it'll probably keep a good charge, but it just took a long time to charge. When I got it, it was completely dead. Few specs is a 10.1 inch screen. It's through the Android system, powered by Google and all the Google apps. You got your Android charger port right there. You got a headphone port right there, and then that's your power signal right there on the kind of blurry. That's your power signal, and then that's your volume changer. I downloaded all my apps on here pretty much, and you gotta make sure you have a good connection. It's pretty simple to operate. It's funny, I've been team iPhone for like the past year, so going using the Android, it's kind of different. But I'm still team everything. So I'm not team iPhone or Android. Instagram. Let's see how the camera looks. The camera is all right. I'll probably give it like a 6 out of 10. Here's the back camera. Can you see me? I'm on there. Okay, here's the back camera with me in it. It's a little, not the best, but I mean, it can definitely be worked with. And switch. And this is the front camera, front-facing camera. So, I mean, it's all right. Probably wouldn't record too much on this camera just because the quality is not all the way there, but it's good for what it is. It's probably better if I'm outside. I don't know. We'll see. We'll say one thing, the speaker is very good and loud. Picture's not too bad if you watch on YouTube and stuff like that. Overall, I say it's a nice little tablet. Probably be good for traveling. Nice to hand to the kids just to distract them sometime. Probably nice thing to use for just extra storage, putting your stuff on. Taking it with you when you don't feel like taking your laptop or other things with you. So it's a good little deal too on the Amazon store. So go ahead and copy one. You won't be disappointed.